terrorism. This unity will remain, inshallah, till the victory. Till the victory. This unity remains. This unity remains, inshallah. Till the victory comes. When the water finishes, then the tide comes. When the water finishes, then the tide water comes. Netanyahu, you are calculating, you destroyed the Rafah, Khan Yunis, and bombing Gaza. Our children, innocent children, are thrown in the air by your bombing. By this brutality, you are making genocide, you are making war crimes, you are trying to ethnic cleansing. But by this brutality, you cannot make ethnic cleansing. Our iman, our faith and conviction is remains with Palestine, not with the brutal leadership, not with the terrorism who patronize the Trump and others who are patrolling.